Alright, what's going on, guys? So cracking on with our Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. Next section, we're going to be having a little dive into an overall little peek into some methods you can use is the speed adjustment, speed manipulation, overall, all the video speed aspects that Adobe Premiere Pro actually offers you, and all the speed manipulation kind of tools you can use to tweak various different projects to your liking in terms of speed. And I'm going to be running through, first off, the basic speed adjustments available to you within Adobe Premiere Pro. And the ones I'm talking about can be easily accessed. So this right here is our example clip that I'm actually just going to be using to demonstrate basically some of these basic speed adjustments that you can actually go about using. So if you guys go ahead and right click on the clip, whichever clip you want to actually mess with the speed of. By the way, you do have to click onto the actual just general space of the clip. For example, if you right click over here when this kind of symbol here comes up to trim, you'll get totally different stuff. Likewise, if you right click on the FX, you'll get totally different stuff. So you guys got to right click on the actual clip itself and just go ahead over here to speed/duration. Give that a click, and you will be actually opening up the basic speed adjustment tools available to you within Adobe Premiere Pro. So let me walk through this. First off, I would advise you guys to always keep this link ticked right here. Always keep that ticked just for the specific reason that this ties your duration to your speed. So for example, if we make the speed 50%, aka we're slowing it down by half, it's going to double the size of the clip because that's what should really happen. However, if we were to not have that linked right there and put this on 50, okay, it's just going to make it 50 but not change the size of the clip for us, which personally, that's not working out for me, and overall I can't see that working out for you guys in any projects really. It's just overall the most basic or the most kind of no-brainer to keep this one ticked at all times, so you guys are keeping consistency throughout your duration and your speed. Now, I kind of just exampled it there and showed it off to you, but to change the speed, that's all you do. So to, drop it to 0.5% or 50% rather would be 2 times the speed of slow-mo, so it would be slow-mo at 50, aka that's going to be half the speed. Also, seeing as 100% is regular speed, if we were to go to 200%, that's going to be double the speed. And there you go. Obviously, it's, shrunk that down in accordance to the fact that we told it that it's double the speed. And these right here are the basic speed adjustments, okay? And those are essentially those right there. The other kind of cool feature the speed duration actually has is the reverse speed. This can definitely lag your stuff quite a lot, but if you guys go ahead and click reverse speed, this will obviously just reverse the clip. You could see how it is definitely lagging a lot right now, based on the fact that it has to kind of figure out what the hell this clip is even doing, but I'm going to go ahead and undo that. Go ahead and right click again and show you guys the second method of how you could do this, and that would be just to add a minus to whatever the number in your speed percentage is. For example, if we wanted this to be reverse but still the same speed, we would just go minus 100, and that's going to do the same thing. It's going to do minus 100, and it's going to start reversing that clip because it's obviously going in the opposite direction. So if we wanted to undo that, and once we put that minus, by the way, it will instantly tick the reverse speed because it's telling it that that's the command that we need to do. In terms of time interpolation down here, I always leave my stuff on frame sampling. Frame blending is okay, but honestly, I think sometimes it might just be in my head that I'm seeing different results for these, so I'm always leaving it on frame sampling, and I would advise you guys, based on all my previous knowledge, to do the same. However, I am oftentimes not even using the clip/speed duration and the basic speed adjustments. I'm usually trying to go about this and trying to go about my speed manipulation in a different way, but I've just quickly showed you guys through the basic speed adjustments and the basic speed manipulation factor available to you within Adobe Premiere Pro, and that is the right-clicking on the clip and going to speed/duration, and then you can actually alter these particular changes they give you. However, there's a much more professional, better way of actually increasing or decreasing speed and overall, using the speed manipulation available to you in Adobe Premiere Pro in a much more professional way, and that is using the speed ramps, and that's exactly what we're going to crack on with in the next lecture.